Hello to everybody, to all hams and SWL. My amateur radio call sign is Victor Uniform number 2, Kilo Oscar Charlie. My handle is Om and QTH Belgaum. I am one of the net controller of Belgaum Net. Today, Pune hams are going to introduce a history of Belgaum Net. I would like to say some words about Belgaum Net, that because of you people, we are successfully net controller from last 3 decades. And I request to all hams that kindly do check in Belgaum Net every morning from 7 to 8:30 Indian Standard Time, that is 1:30 to 3 o'clock Coordinate Universal Time on 7050 kHz LSB. Thank you and 73.
Very pleasant good morning. Before coming to the topic of history of Hamble Amateur Radio Club Belgaum and the Hamble Belgaum Net, I take the liberty to introduce myself. I am B.R. Joshi, holding the call sign VU2 Bravo Romeo Juliet. Now, coming to the interesting history of Hamble Amateur Radio Club Belgaum, I would like to place on record that VU2 November Sierra Delta, Oldman Dilip Nerlekar, and VU2 Papa Alpha Lima, Professor Paul, are the founding members of Hamble Amateur Radio Club at Belgaum. It so happened that during late 60s and early 1970s, VU2 November Sierra Delta Oldman Dilip Nerlekar and VU2 Papa Alpha Lima Professor Paul, VU2 Charlie Kilo Romeo Oldman Gaddi, VU2 Alpha Sierra Kilo Oldman Kurganal, VU2 Sierra India Victor Oldman Arabhavi, and few others interested in ham radio were preparing for the ASOC examination. Finding the required information relating to ham radio was difficult in those days. As a result, this small group used to periodically share the available information relating to ham radio with each other by getting together on every Sunday in the physics laboratory of RL Science College, Belgaum, wherein Professor Paul was serving as a professor. Moreover, owning a telephone at home was a dreamlike privilege for middle class people in those days. This periodical get together on every Sunday morning over a cup of tea led to formation of Hamble Amateur Radio Club Belgaum in the year 1970 by the founding members, namely VU2 November Sierra Delta Oldman Dilip Nerlikar and VU2 Papa Alpha Lima Professor Paul. VU2 Charlie Kilo Romeo Oldman Gaddi, who was then working in telegraphs department, used to provide CW training to the aspirants of ASOC examination. In 1974, few others, namely VU2 Kilo Oscar Charlie Om Prakash, VU2 Delta Lima Papa Oldman Dalpap, VU2 Papa November Uniform Oldman Bebu, VU2 Mike Romeo Mike Oldman Maitri, VU2 Juliet Bravo Papa Oldman Jayant Patil, who is a silent key now, and VU2 Bravo Alpha Juliet fondly known as Bajikaka, who is also a silent key, and VU2 Tango Foxtrot Sierra Oldman Tizo Fernandez, VU2 Kilo Delta Sierra Oldman Kumar Shah, and others joined the Hamble Belgaum Club. and were regularly attending the weekly meetings on every Sunday at RL Science College and discussing ham related matters, particularly the program of DX Jukebox and Media Network broadcast on Radio Netherlands, which was very popular in those days. Even Kolhapur group consisting of V2 Alpha Bravo Alpha Old Man Abba, who is a silent key, V2 Sierra Mike November Old Man Suhas, and V2 Alpha Victor Golf Old Man Avinash, whom we lost recently, actively participated in the meeting. It is worthwhile to mention that V2 Kilo Oscar Charlie was the first person to take up the ASOC examination in the Hindi language. V2 KOC and V2 PNU were even the first to procure commercial HF transceiver ICOM IC 751 in 1982, followed by others at Belgaum. During early 80s, few more joined as members of Hamble Club, namely V2 Sierra Mike Sierra Old Man Manju, V2 Alpha Charlie Kilo Old Man Ashok, V2 Bravo Romeo Tango Old Man Balu, myself V2 Bravo Romeo Juliet, V2 Eco Victor V2 Eco X-ray Yankee Old Man Sarode, V2 Sierra Golf Delta Dr. Goel, V2 Bravo Romeo Golf YL Dr. Beena Goel, V2 SSP YL Dr. Sukhada, who is the YL harmonic of Professor Pal, V3 Eco Yankee Eco Dr. Patil, V2 Mike Alpha Kilo YL Maki Kapadia, V3 Tango Yankee Golf Old Man Nitin, V3 Mike Uniform Golf Old Man Ishwar Rao, V3 Bravo Golf Zulu Old Man Bharat Gargatti, who is a silent key now, also joined the club. Cyclo-styled newsletter containing ham-related topics and activities of the club was circulated every month to all the members. V2 EXY Old Man Sarode, who is an astronomical enthusiast, played a prominent role in establishing amateur radio station at Science Center, Belgaum, for disaster management, sponsored by NIAR. The other activities such as hiking, trekking and field day to nearby places with VHF handies were organized from time to time by the club with the active participation of all the members, apart from astronomical observations arranged by V2 Juliet Bravo Papa Old Man Jayant Patil and V2 Eco X-ray Yankee Old Man Sarode. Erection of antenna at the QTH of other hams was gracefully taken up by the members of the club. V2 Alpha Bravo Alpha and V2 Bravo Golf Zulu, who are no more now, provided needed technical support to the home brewers of the club. Amateur Radio Club of Shimoga provided homebrewed 40 meters SSB RX and QRP TX built and developed by V2 Sierra Lima Juliet Old Man Joyce, who is also no more, to some of the members of our club. V2 Mike Romeo Mike is a feather in the cap of our club in the matter of CW contacts. In 1990, during the local traffic accident and such other exigencies, the members of the club provided possible assistance to the local police, for which the then SP of Belgaum had issued ID cards to the members of the club with the caption Hams in Public Service. Amateur Radio Club of Kolhapur and Belgaum jointly provided vital VHF communication during Masa Car Rally during late 1980s and early 1990s, beside providing communication backup in 1990s during elections at the request of DC Shimoga. How Hambel Belgaum Net came into existence is very interesting. After getting my license in June 88, I started using a QRP Crystal TX consisting of single SL100 transistor which was assembled by V2 Kilo Oscar Charlie Oldman Om Prakash in a small plastic soap box, and the same is still preserved by him as an antique piece. The crystal frequency of the said QRP was 7052.50 kHz. At my request, the local hams at Belgaum used to have regular QSOs with me between 7 am and 8 am on 7052.5 kHz. In those days, VU3 Bravo Uniform Tango Dr. Tekani from Bhavnagar was a DX like a thrilling station for me to get a 599 report on the said Crystal QRP TX. The output which was about 500 milliwatt to 1 watt. Gradually, it so happened that other outstation hams started joining the group on 7052.5 kHz between 7 am and 8 am. Thus, we to Papa Alpha Lima, Professor Paul started the Belgaum Net in November 1989 and later on named it as Hambel Belgaum Net and shifted the operating frequency from 7052.5 kHz to 7050 kHz. Professor Paul untiringly conducted the Hambel Belgaum Net with all dedication till a week prior to his death on 27th of August 2016 with over 386,688 QSOs at his credit. Now Hambel Belgaum Net is being continued with the same zeal, enthusiasm and dedication on 7050 kHz daily from 7 am to 9 am by 3 net controllers who are V2 Papa November Uniform, V2 Kilo Oscar Charlie, myself V2 Bravo Romeo Juliet and V2 Eco Victor Uniform Oldman Galgali from Bijapur with the active assistance by V3 Papa Mike Yankee Oldman Yasin from Kerala. Every year on 27th of August, being the death anniversary of V2 Papa Alpha Lima, Hambel Belgaum Net is being dedicated in memory of veteran ham V2 Papa Alpha Lima, Professor Paul. QSL with the special call sign Alpha Uniform 1 Papa Alpha Lima on his first death anniversary was also released, which was designed, printed and supplied by VU3 Bravo Uniform Tango Dr. Tekani, VU2 Sierra Papa Foxtrot Professor Bhatnagar and the team of Bhavnagar Amateur Radio Club. Indian Institute of Hams Bengaluru prepared and supplied the QSL cards on the second death anniversary of Professor Paul. The present active members of the club are VU2 Papa November Uniform, VU2 Kilo Oscar Charlie, myself, VU2 Bravo Romeo Juliet, V2 Sierra Mike Sierra, Oldman Manju, V2 Alpha Charlie Kilo, Oldman Ashok, VU3 Tango Yankee Golf, Oldman Nitin, VU3 Juliet November Mike, Oldman Jagdish, VU2 Bravo Golf Oldman Hegde, VU2 Mike Romeo Mike, Oldman Mohan Metri, VU3 Charlie X-ray Mike, YL Kanchan, who is harmonic of VU2 SMS, and last but not the least VU3 Hotel X-ray Alpha, Oldman Zoheb. The plan of the club is to install a VHF repeater at Belgaum. With this, I thank Pune Hams for providing this opportunity to share the history of Hambel Amateur Radio Club Belgaum and the history of popular Hambel Belgaum Net. Once again, thank you 73.
Papa checking Hamble welcome net. My best of 73. Anybody checking for the Hamble welcome net? Please call VT Oscar Charlie. Red All Uniform Mike. Yeah, I copied that somebody is giving Charlie Radio Sira. Anymore? Mike Papa Kilo anymore? Red All Uniform Mike. Okay, the Charlie Radio Sira. Ranjit Bhai, please come in over.
Hello. Hi everyone. Good morning. We, the members of Hamble Amateur Radio Club Belgaum, feel very much obliged by the initiation taken by the Pune Hams to include the history of Hamble Belgaumnet in their Tech Talk series. We very much appreciate their gesture and thank them for their efforts in making this series a successful one. Myself, we to echo Victor uniform, handle Gallagali and QTH's Bijapur, now it is called Vijayapura in northern part of Karnataka. I am one of the net controllers of Hamble Belgaumnet. The Hamble Belgaumnet normally starts at 7 in the morning, and in the beginning, that's from 7 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. The net is normally being controlled by a VU2 Papa November uniform, handle Bebu, and QTH is Belgaum. Then from 7:30 to 8 a.m. the net is being controlled by Victor uniform number 2 Kilo Oscar Charlie, handle Om Prakash, and QTH is again Belgaum. Then from 8 to 8:30 a.m. the net is being controlled by VU2 Bravo Romeo Juliet, handle Joshi, and QTH is Dharwad. Normally the net used to be concluded and wound up at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. But nowadays it is being extended because of the lockdown period. Since the lockdown started, many hams are sitting at home and now they are cleaning their rigs and they are coming on the bands. So now we noticed a sudden surge in the stations checking into the net. So we were forced to extend the net timings beyond 8:30 also. Hence, now the microphone is being handed over to me to control the net from 8:30 a.m. onwards to mitigate this rush of stations taking into the Hamble Belgaumnet. And I normally conclude and wind up the net around 9 a.m. when the last station of the day checks into the net. So thank you everybody. 73. Stay at home and stay safe. Check into the net regularly and take care. See you on the band again, on the net again. Take care. Bye bye.